Do you feel frustrated? Do you feel like, as a beauty professional, you're not getting the profits you want? Do you feel like you're basically doing the same thing as everyone else? Do you want to add new skills, new services, but you don't know what to do differently to make your business grow, to move your business past stagnation? Well, I understand you, and believe me, I was in the same situation as you. I truly believe that this course is the best fit for you. We're bringing you the skin rejuvenation technique that helps improve spots, scars, stretch marks, sagging, and wrinkles. This procedure is going to give your business a boost, so you can't miss this opportunity to learn this great skill, as it provides results similar to those of plastic surgery without the need to go through one. The Fibroblast Plasma procedure is the solution you're looking for. The results are incredible in just one session, although some clients may need more than one session. In this course, I'm going to teach you module by module how to work on the skin, how to ensure that people get the best result, and how to identify who is suitable and who is not. The Fibroblast Plasma procedure is the solution you are looking for. The results are incredible in a single session, although there are clients who need more than one session. In this course, I will teach you module by module how to work the skin, how to make people get the best results, identify which people are suitable and which people are not suitable. This course is fully developed for you to start as a new fibroblast plasma specialist, and for that I bring you an excellent discount that you cannot miss. Stop worrying about stagnation and start looking for solutions. Believe me, my business has increased by 200% since I started using the fibroblast technique in my aesthetics, and this can happen to you if you make the decision today, since the discount is only and exclusively for you, since you are in the STUSN program and you can have immediate solutions. Remember, what's important is to make investments for your business to grow. It's not about spending your money, but rather making an investment that can generate a lot of income from here on out. So don't miss out on this great opportunity. Sign up today. And I assure you that you'll get a quality course with everything you need to know to apply the technique correctly. Sign up down below and don't wait any longer. 1,000,